Welcome, my friends, to this guided meditation for self-love. This means taking time to show yourself some kindness and respect with kind words and thoughts that help you fully accept yourself just as you are. This also means that you are prioritizing your health and well-being by taking time to contemplate and be present in the moment. It doesn't mean that you are being selfish. When you have a healthier relationship with yourself, then you are able to have healthier relationships with others. It is about accepting yourself, flaws and all, for the amazing human being that you are. So let's begin by finding a place to sit or lie down comfortably. If you are sitting, you can place your hands palms up or down, whichever is more comfortable for you. If you are lying down, you can rest your hands by your side. I would like you to make sure that your back is straight, and you can do this by pretending there is a string on the top of your head. Reach up with one hand and imagine pulling that string up. And as you do so, feel your back elongate and straighten. And drop your hand back in your lap or by your side. And let's take a slow, deep breath in. And as you breathe out, relax your face, your jaw. Drop your tongue from the roof of your mouth. And another slow, deep breath in. And as you breathe out, think about your shoulders relaxing. And one more slow, deep breath in. And as you breathe out, imagine the tension just being released from your body. And as you settle into your meditation, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. You may close your eyes if you haven't already done so. And just take some time to notice your body and how each part is feeling. And with each breath in and out, give another part of your body permission to relax. Notice any sounds that are present around you. You don't have to identify them. Just take note of how they come and go. Now let's try some visualization. I want you to imagine yourself just as you are right now. And in your hands, you are holding a glowing ball of light. Imagine that light radiates all different shades of greens and blues, like the different greens of grass, trees, plants, that you might see in a warm summer day, or the various blues of the sky and the ocean. And as you continue breathing, with a breath in, imagine breathing in that light welcoming it into your body. Allow that light to spread to every corner of your body, filling it with the green, calm, and blue, refreshing energy of light. With each breath out, you feel more and more relaxed. Just allow that green and blue light to radiate from you, envelop you, supporting you and protecting you. And as you continue imagining this light healing you, repeat this phrase to yourself. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Continue imagining that green and blue light gently swirling about your body. And now repeat this phrase to yourself. I deserve to be happy. I deserve to be happy. I deserve to be happy. And as we continue, notice what you are feeling in your body. Don't do anything to correct it. Just take notice and let it go. And now repeat this phrase to yourself. I am safe. I am supported. I am love, and I am loved. I am safe. I am supported. I am love, and I am loved. I am safe. I am supported. I am love, and I am loved. When you are ready, slowly bring yourself back to awareness, to where you are sitting or lying down. Take a few deep breaths in to energize yourself. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes and take a moment of gratitude for yourself. How are you feeling? How is your body feeling? Know that you are love. You are loved. You are safe. You are supported. You deserve to be happy. And you need to believe in yourself. Feel free to return to this meditation whenever you need. May peace and love go with you throughout your day, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me.